how to post GIFs on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Create option on the bottom center of your screen and in the interface that you will be led to, firstly, select a community in order to be able to create a post and further add in the title and the body. Further, add tags and flair based on your post. Now go ahead and tap on the video icon from the toolbar and select a video from your camera roll and further make any necessary changes if required. Now toggle on the post as GIF toggle button in order to post the video as GIF. Finally tap on the add button and then tap on the post button, and with this your GIF will be posted. So this is how you can post GIFs on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.